It's really helpful when you are editing your first draft and then you realize that you have used the word look 17 times in one paragraph and you need new synonyms for it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, I am Mahi and it's so glad to have you here. Today I'm going to be talking about writing tools and softwares that I can't live without. So the first and foremost is my beloved Scrivener. I adore the writing software. I love Scrivener since I started using it 2 years ago. I don't think I can be sane without using Scrivener for every day. I use it for my writing, my YouTube, my life planning and everything. So I basically use Scrivener as a life tool instead of just writing. It just holds everything together. I love how efficient it is once you know how to use it. I usually use Scrivener for my first and second draft during the writing process, and once I have self-edited it, I send it to my betas, and when I'm in the editing process with my editor, I use Microsoft Word. I fluctuate between Scrivener and Microsoft Word, but I prefer Scrivener over anything I have used so far, even Google Docs. Scrivener also backs up everything you have written on its own, unlike Word, who deleted my 10,000 words just because. That was one bad experience with Microsoft Word, and I still like it, but Scrivener beats everything for me. Editing tools are ProWriting Aid and Hemingway Editor. I like ProWriting Aid better than Grammarly. It's just my opinion. I have used free version of both Grammarly and ProWriting Aid, but I like ProWriting Aid much better. Just tells me what to change, how to change the sentence structure and everything. I use it after self-editing my novel to make sure it's perfectly proofread and I'm not repeating the same words again and again. It also gives me synonyms of the selected word. I really enjoy using it. So if you are interested, you can try the trial version for free, then buy it for a month or two and see if you enjoy it or not. I used the trial version and then bought the 1 year version, but I loved it so much that within a few months I bought it for lifetime. So I will keep using ProWriting Aid for all the novels. Hemingway Editor, it's free tool. I use it mostly because of my active passive voice. It's an online free version which I also use during the self-editing process. Another two apps which I use for my inspiration, motivation, prompts, and just to get that image of the character or that place or the event or anything at all, I use Pinterest and Tumblr, and I really enjoy using both the apps because Pinterest gives me visual images and aesthetics for my characters, novels, and I make boards about each character and each novel, each section for each character or each book in the series. It really helps me to look at them whenever I am stuck somewhere in the scene or a chapter and get inspired again. And then I also use Tumblr, similar to mostly Pinterest in the images and everything, but I also get to read other writers' work and get inspired. Enjoy using both the apps and I don't think I will ever stop using them. Spotify, YouTube, and ambientmixer.com. Yes, I am that writer who listens to music while writing. I have been using after Abby Emmons made a video about this similar topic. I will link it somewhere here or in the description below. Ambient Mixer is a playlist of all the sounds that you want while you're writing, and it's really calming and soothing, like thunderstorm, and it even has a Harry Potter house playlist. So I'm a Hufflepuff and I love listening to Hufflepuff's playlist. It has cats purring and thunderstorm and people walking by. Soothing to listen to it and write. So I use it on rare occasion, but mostly I use either Spotify or YouTube. Spotify, I have specific playlist for specific novels and specific moods like action and romance and all that stuff. I enjoy making trailers for my books, so listening to similar songs gives me idea how I imagine the characters and scenes that would look like in the trailers. I listened to Perfect by Ed Sheeran while I was writing chapter 3 and unfolding Ethan for the first time on repeat for an hour straight and wrote that chapter 3. The last one is thesaurus.com. I used to call it as thesaurus like dinosaur. I don't know why. I use it specifically for synonyms. If you haven't tried it, I definitely recommend trying it out. It's really helpful when you are editing your first draft and then you realize that you have used the word look 17 times in one paragraph and you need new synonyms for it. If this video was helpful to you guys, please give it a like, comment, share it with your friends, and even subscribe to my channel if you enjoy writing, author and self-publishing content. And if you didn't enjoy it, please let me know how to improve my content. And if you have any other video suggestions, you can comment them down below. Thank you so much to my Patreons who support my writing. Thank you so much to you guys for watching this video till the end, and I'll see you guys soon.